Stop for a moment. What if your biggest problem in English is not grammar, but fear? You understand many words. You watch videos. You read simple texts. But when it is time to speak, your voice becomes quiet. Your heart beats fast. Your mind feels empty. Why does this happen? Because you are afraid of making mistakes. This story is about a beginner. Maybe this beginner is you. He wanted to speak American English confidently. He practiced every day. He listened to short conversations. He repeated simple sentences like, "How are you?" and "Nice to meet you." Alone, he sounded good. But in front of people, everything changed. One day, someone asked him a very simple question. "Where are you from?" He knew the answer. It was easy. Just one sentence. But fear came. His hands felt cold. His voice was shaking. In that moment, he had two choices. Stay silent. Or speak. This is where everything changed. He decided to speak. Not perfect. Not fast. Not like a native speaker. But he spoke. And do you know what happened? Nothing bad. No one laughed. No one judged him. People listened. Some even smiled. That small moment gave him a big lesson. Confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes after speaking. Let me say it again. You do not wait to feel confident. You speak, and then confidence grows. From that day, he made a simple rule. Every day, he practiced speaking for 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. In the morning or at night. He stood in front of a mirror and said simple American English sentences. I can do this. I am improving every day. My English is getting better. At first, it felt strange. But slowly, his fear became smaller. His voice became stronger. His mind became clear. Because speaking is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Here is the truth. Your accent is not the problem. Your mistakes are not the problem. Everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers. The real problem is fear. And fear disappears when you face it. What if you speak for just 2 minutes every day? 2 minutes today. 2 minutes tomorrow. 2 minutes again and again. In 1 week, you will feel more comfortable. In 1 month, you will hear the difference in your voice. In 1 year, your life can change. Better conversations. Better opportunities. More confidence. But it all starts with one simple decision. To speak. Not perfectly. But bravely. Right now, take a deep breath and say this. I can speak English confidently. Say it again. Feel the words. This is your turning point. You are not too late. You are not too bad. You are learning. And every time you open your mouth and speak, you are winning. Believe in your voice. Practice every day. And remember, confidence is not a gift. It is a habit. If this message helped you, like this video, subscribe, and keep practicing with me. Your confident English journey starts today.